I've just attended
Kerry Fitzgibbon's
wonderful 3-day
Facebook intensive
marketing retreat
done in this gorgeous location on the Gold Coast.
and it's an amazing event, so I want to tell you guys a little bit more about it.
I'll tell you what, it is an awesome workshop to be at.
I was stunned at the level of content that was there.
I'd learnt so much, but one of the other participants in this small course said, "Oh God, my brain's fried, I've just learnt so much."
I knew nothing. Please don't let it stop you. I knew nothing. Now I know a lot.
There was a lot of lovely people there that I met, people in different stages of their business journey, and the girls had amazing patience to help all of us, to show us how to do things properly.
For many years I've been wanting to get a small group of business owners together and really get them in a retreat environment, because I absolutely love to travel, but I love beautiful places and I love socialising. So to be able to get a small group of people together and teach them the Facebook goodness.
She's shown us the very detailed step-by-step way to actually get your business automated so that you can reach out to more people and find people for your business.
You actually physically do the stuff as you're learning it, and you can go away completely confident that you can market your own products.
I have to tell you, my mind is just abuzz with the possibilities now for our business.
We got right into it and we were doing every day and we were learning and awesome masterminding as well. And then we had a lot of fun. How do you beat that?
Social media is changing all the time. Facebook is changing all the time. Instagram is changing all the time. The way that people communicate and what apps they're using is changing all the time. So what you were doing 2 years ago isn't going to work now, and it's changing all the time. But Kerry keeps up with everything that's happening.
I found that it's actually quite easy, it's not that hard. Right.
By the end of the retreat, everybody was very confident, and some were even achieving sales.
The pre-work set us up for success, and the follow-up that will come in the weeks and months ahead is phenomenal.
I launched an online store in January, and I have increased sales by 25% in 24 hours. So that's pretty good, and it just keeps growing already.
So you came to my retreat in July and a total implementer, so modelled the retreat model. How much did you make from this retreat this weekend?
So far we're looking at about 70,000 in sales. Pretty nice, pretty nice.
For 3 days.
I couldn't believe the amount of content that we got in that 3 days. I was able to get some amazing qualified leads and built up a great client list and client base from it.
If you want to learn Facebook marketing, if you want to smash it with your marketing, you want to get your sale double, triple, you want to learn all of that, learn from Kerry. That's all I can say.